Actually, that was not my choice. My father was very much interested in sports, so he asked me to. No, he put me into sports, and he at the age of 5, I started athletics. I was training then from that day. Yeah, I can say that from second or third standard, I started competition, like small level competition. From fifth standard, I was doing under a special coach. Normally, my day started around 4 o'clock. So I used to go to ground, and after training from there directly to school. That was a hectic schedule for me at that age. But he was very strict. My father was very strict. Getting a medal anyway for a small kid it's a big thing. So I just started like that, and later I came up to the world stage. Accidentally, this day, 16 years back, I got the World Championship bronze medal for first ever India's medal in the world stage. That is a great moment, not only for me, but for the entire country, because till that day we were just talking about Asian level or just missing Olympic medals. I can say that other than me or Bobby, no one expected a medal from us. Now, athletics is the toughest event in the world. More than 200 countries are taking part, and it's not an easy task. And we cannot say that someone is a sure shot medal other than Usain Bolt or very few. One day before the competition, Bobby told me that this is going to be a great day for you. So we are expecting a medal, and he told me that definitely will get. So with that confidence, I went for the competition, and even though that was my first major championships in the world stage, I managed a bronze medal, but still that fifth jump was not my best jump. I had some problems in between run up, and I couldn't lift a perfect takeoff. But still, that was 670 meters, and I got the bronze. Actually, we are tuned for that. We train for that. If you are into many things, nothing will materialize. If you are focused, then you can do that. So actually, our blood rhythm, our body, our sleep, everything is tuned only for that day, that moment. So we know how to handle that because with the experience. So definitely, it's a huge task for an individual, because standing in front of a big crowd, maybe more than 1 lakh people watching just you performing, and but you need to perform. It's not like a game. If you are a mediocre performer, you may win, but in athletics you should be the peak. Look here and there and do the competition. You should be very focused.
So basically, everybody needs talent. She is highly talented. Plus, I did my part, like taking her to where she was a national medalist that time. From national to international level, I played a role there. It's not that all of a sudden, if you say that Olympics and World Championships, nobody is willing to swallow that. Gradually, step by step, I was keeping a target for like 6:33 was a national record, just to break the national record first. Then the next target was 6:50, 6:60. 650 was an Olympic qualification mark at that time. So she did that in 2000, but unfortunately she could not go for that. So we are spending average 7 hours a day, morning and evening average, if you take like 35 to 40 hours a week quality training program. And along that there is a recovery and rehab process along with goes simultaneously, and they need kid support and travel support and education, academics, most important thing. Anju Bobby Sports Foundation is taking care of that. So that also we need. So it's it's not only champions, we are trying to create more role models, youth icons for the country.
Actually, those days Marian Jones was the biggest name. But unfortunately, after she competed with me also in 2004 Athens. But unfortunately, after 1 year, we realized that was not a true performer. She was not a true performer. That was a big shock for me. But yeah, definitely someone should be there, and some role models should be there for each individual. Yeah, that was my big dream, to nurture young talents, because we know the way how to reach up to the world stage, because no one was there to guide us. Me and Bobby, we both did that. We already proved that. So it's easy for us to guide the youngsters, and long jump is one of the best event we can showcase in the world stage. It's highly technical. So it's a combination of a good coach and a good athlete. A coach is doing a different job, an athlete is in a different phase. So once we are inside the ground, only an athlete know how to handle that situation. And the outside stage, the coach will manage. So this is a combination of a good coach and a good athlete. So we started our academy 3 years back, and we got some good talents from UP, Kerala and Andhra. And within 1.5 years, they are showing their talents. They are in world stage now. One girl, she's just 16-year-old. She's world number 2, and we are expecting this year world number 1. Soon, within 4 years, she will break my record. We struggled a lot at that age. I came very late. I started my international career at the age of 23, and my world championship medal is at the age of 25. But we can nurture our kids from very young age. So that much gap we can feel. So she already started at the age of 15. So by 20, actually our golden period is from 18 to 26. So I miss all that golden periods. So we are expecting one of our ward will get a Olympic medal in 2024. Actually our junior level is very strong. We got one world record holder in javelin. We got Hima Das in 400 meters. And we have good relay team also. But when it comes to the senior level, it's a big task. And no one is performing even after my 16-year medal. It's not that we trained a lot and we will get a medal. It's not that. We need to fight. We need to be like a good fighter. No, actually, Neeraj Chopra was my favorite, and he was very capable of getting a medal from Olympic. But unfortunately, he injured elbow surgery. So I don't know what is fate during Olympics. Even though everything is in your favor, you have to put your 100% effort. Otherwise, there's no shortcut. It's sheer hard work, and definitely you need luck also. But sheer hard work, and don't go or don't take any shortcuts.